Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change your Kajabi product instructor info. If you're managing online courses or coaching programs, keeping your instructor information accurate and up to date is essential for maintaining professionalism and credibility with your students. Let's start by opening your web browser and navigating to kajabi.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to sign into your account by clicking the login button and entering your credentials. If you're new to Kajabi and don't have an account yet, simply click Get Started to create one. After logging in, direct your attention to the left navigation panel where you'll find various menu options for managing your content. Click on Products, which will expand to reveal additional options. From this expanded menu, select All Products. This will take you to your products page where all your courses, coaching programs, and tutorials are housed in one central location. Now that you're on the products page, locate the specific content where you want to change the instructor information. You'll notice a three-dot menu icon on each product. Click on those three dots for your chosen product, and an expanded menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Edit Details to proceed with modifying your product settings. Once you're in the Edit view, look for the Customize option under the Course Overview section. Click on it to be presented with your course's page layout. Hover over the page and click Customize again to enter the editing interface. You'll now be redirected to the editor page where all the customization magic happens. On the left side menu, select Product Sidebar. This is a crucial step because it's where your instructor information is displayed to students. Make sure the Show Sidebar toggle is turned on so your changes will be visible. On the right side of the page, you'll find the section where you can edit the product instructor details. Here you can adjust the instructor name, photo, bio, and any other relevant information based on your preferences. Take your time to ensure everything looks professional and accurate. Once you're satisfied with your changes, click the Save button located in the top right corner of the screen to apply your updates. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.